Okay, so now we are going to take a look at escape velocity. What does it mean by escape velocity? Okay, let's say if you shoot an object, okay, from the surface of the earth, okay, awak shoot dia keluar at a low speed, low linear speed, eventually the object will fall back to the surface of the earth, betul? But if you shoot an object with a very high linear speed, okay, dengan speed yang sangat tinggi, so the object will escape from the earth, from the gravitational force of the earth, and then they akan travel at the speed keluar lah from the atmosphere and the pool of the earth. Dia akan keluar pergi meninggalkan sampai jauh-jauh. Okay, so escape velocity here means minimum velocity needed by an object to escape the surface of the earth, okay, to overcome the gravitational force and escape to outer space on object. So escape velocity is the minimum velocity needed by an object on planet lah, tak kisahlah earth ke, on any planet to overcome gravitational force of the planet and escape to outer space. Okay, so now you have learned that an object, okay, so the earth, okay, so let's say we have an object here. Okay, so when it escapes, dia travel kan, dia mestilah travel. So when it travels, it has kinetic energy. Dia ada kinetic energy which is half mv square. Awak dah belajar masa form 2. And bila dia melompat ke, dia pergi jauh, as the height increase, it also possess gravitational potential energy. Okay, so in your form 2, you have learned that gravitational potential energy is mgh, betul? Okay, however, because in this situation, this deals with an object which has a very high mass, and it deals with very large distance. Distance dia sangat jauh, mass dia sangat besar. So mgh is not valid anymore. Okay, dalam kes ni kita tak pakai mgh. So the gravitational potential energy here would be minus g m over r. Okay, so g is the gravitational constant, m is the mass of the planet, smaller m is the mass of the object, r is the orbital radius lah, radius between the mass, radius between the planet and also object. If the minimum kinetic energy can overcome the gravitational potential energy, okay, so if the object possess minimum kinetic energy yang boleh mengatasi the gravitational potential energy, then it has escape velocity. Okay, kalau dia ada tenaga kinetik yang cukup untuk mengatasi gravitational, dan dia adalah escape velocity tu, means that it can escape from the surface of the planet. Dia boleh lari. Okay, So kita tukarkan ini kepada equation. So minimum KE plus gravitational potential energy equals to 0. Okay, tukarkan jadi half mv square plus minus gmm over r equals to 0. Okay, so you need to bring this term to the right. So kita akan dapat minus gmm over r. Okay, so now there are factor that you can cancel. Kita boleh nampak m kat sini kita boleh cancel. Now I want you to bring 2 to the right. Okay, sorry, negatif ni hilang dah lah bila bawa ke sana kan. Okay, negatif tu hilang. Okay, so next v square equals to 2gm over r. V awak kena square root lah. Square root 2gm over r. Okay, so this is the final formula for escape velocity. Okay, so ini adalah formula untuk cari minimum velocity needed for the object to escape the gravitational pull of the planet. Okay, so kita tengok satu contoh. Bila kita nak pakai formula ni. Okay, so let's say the object is on the earth. Okay, roket lah contoh. Kita nak launch roket. Okay, kita nak launch roket. So berapa minimum speed required by the rocket to escape the gravitational pull of the earth? Okay, so based on the formula, what we need is G, gravitational constant, M, mass of the earth, and also R. Okay, R tu apa? R is the radius of the earth lah, sebab objek tu masih lagi dekat surface of the earth. Okay, so the radius of the earth 6.37 times 10 to the power of 6. Mass of the earth 5.97 times 10 to the power of 4. Gravitational constant 6.67 times 10 to the power of 11. Okay, so now you substitute everything in the equation. So 2 times 6.67 times 10 to the power of 11 times mass 5.97 times 10 to the power of 4 over the radius of the earth 6.37. Kenapa radius sahaja? Sebabnya objek tu memang betul-betul dekat atas bumi. Okay, 6.37 times 10 to the power of 6. Awak masuk dalam equation, awak akan dapat 11.2 km per second. If you convert this, awak akan dapat 2 meter meter per second, 11,200 meter per second. Okay, so this is the minimum velocity needed for the rocket ataupun any object to escape from gravitational force of the earth. Okay, kalau awak nak lari daripada tarikan bumi, awak kena terbang pada velocity 11,200 meter per second. Satu saat awak kena cover 11,200 meter. Dapat ke? Tak dapat kan? Okay, so duduk diam-diam dekat rumah. Stay at home. Okay. So this is the minimum velocity required for the object. Okay. So different planets have different escape velocity. Okay. Depending on the mass and also radius of the planet lah. Okay. So, kenapa perlunya escape velocity? Okay. Importance of escape velocity. Okay. The first one, okay, it maintains the object inside the atmosphere of the earth. Okay, contohnya macam molecules. Okay, molekul-molekul kita manusia kita perlukan oksigen kan. So air molecules in the atmosphere usually move at speed of 500 meter per second. Okay, imagine if the molecule move more than 500 meter per second, it will kalau dia move at speed escape velocity. Kalau speed dia lebih besar daripada 11.2 km per second, tak ada molekul atas muka bumi ni, macam mana kita nak hidup kan? Macam mana kita nak bernafas? Okay, that is one problem. So that is how we have the layer of atmosphere. Kalau tak ada molekul-molekul ni, kita takkan ada layer of atmosphere. Okay, next, the second important is, okay, it enables jet, aeroplane to fly at a speed lower than escape velocity. Okay, jets, aeroplane kena fly lower lah, lagi rendah daripada 11.2. Kalau kapal terbang tu laju sangat, lebih tinggi daripada 11.2, dia akan keluar daripada atmosphere, dia akan terbang bawa awak pergi ke outer space. Kita tak naklah benda tu terjadi. Okay, next, third importance is launching of rocket. Okay, if kita nak launch rocket, kita require the speed of rocket to be greater than 11.2. Kalau kita nak launch rocket to outer space, kita nak dia pergi ISS ke apa, kita tak akan dapat kalau speed of the rocket is lower than 11.2. Okay. Okay. So I guess that's all for escape velocity. Now you can, I hope this information is useful for you to do your module for 3.3. Okay, that's all.